Hi, this is Paulette from the Magical Needle, and here's a quick tutorial on how I piece together my quilt blocks when I'm making a quilt. I always lay everything out first, and then I think about how I want to start piecing them together, the quilt blocks. Now, every quilter likes to piece their quilt blocks a little different. Now, some quilters like to piece them in a column where they start from the top and go all the way straight down to the bottom, and they just keep working that way. Some quilters like to start from one side of a row and go all the way across. But for me, logically, the way my brain works is I like to lay each row out. I'll do it in rows of 2. Okay, and then I'll just do that all the way across. And then I will put the two together, and then I'll sew it all the way down. And then once it's sewed together, I will then, of course, open it, iron it, and press it. And then I will piece it together so that when it's open, now I have the 4 blocks. And I do this going all the way across. So then when I piece it together, it's really easy. I already have 2 rows. So I have the 4, then I'll have a 4 and I piece that. Then I'll have a 4 and I piece that. And I'll have a 4 and I piece that. So then you just get this all the way across. It's super fast. And then I take that whole 2 columns sewn together, and then what I do is I will take the 2 rows that are together and completed, and then I just sew it to the bottom of the prior row. Well, I hope this helps. Have a great day.